XUSHIDZ SP5 Robotic Pool Vacuum Wall Climbing Robot Cleaner, the silent game changer. Most pool owners spend their Sunday mornings doing something that should have stopped being manual years ago. You brush the walls, vacuum the floor, check the filter, and the pool still looks the same by Thursday. Nobody talks about the hidden cost of that routine. Not just the time, the energy, the quiet resentment towards something that is supposed to feel like a luxury. Think about that for a moment. You bought a pool to enjoy it, not to spend weekends maintaining it with equipment that was designed decades ago and never quite solved the problem completely. So here is the real question. What would your mornings look like if the pool simply handled itself? The damage accumulates quietly. First, there's the time. Hours every week that compound into entire weekends lost across a season. Then there is the money, spent on chemicals that work harder when the surfaces are clean, which they rarely are when cleaning is manual and inconsistent. Then there is the energy, that low-grade fatigue of knowing the task is waiting again before you have even finished this one. You can feel it in your shoulders before you even pick up the brush, that physical weight of a routine that was never supposed to belong to you. The pool tiles build up residue, the floor collects sediment between visits, the walls quietly become the problem nobody is addressing consistently. Here is what almost nobody says. A pool that cleans itself changes the entire relationship you have with your backyard. This is where the XUSHIDZ SP5 robotic pool vacuum enters, and everything changes. The core mechanism is straightforward. A DC brushless motor drives intelligent eye-shaped route planning across both floor and wall surfaces automatically, covering more than 95% of the pool without human direction. First quiet superpower. Wall climbing capability means the one surface most pool robots abandoned completely is now handled. Second, intelligent route planning eliminates the random wandering that leaves gaps and missed sections. Third, the 4,500 milliamp hour battery delivers up to 130 minutes of uninterrupted operation on a single charge. Fourth, cordless design removes the cable tangle that makes traditional robotic cleaners genuinely frustrating to deploy. Fifth, smart escape mode prevents it from getting trapped at drains or corners. Sixth, IPX8 waterproofing and multi-layer safety protection mean the robot protects itself, so you never have to worry. And yes, I tested this myself. One owner with an 18 by 36 pool completed a full floor and wall cycle in a single run. Wait, it climbs walls and plans its own route? That is exactly what it does. Don't just pick any robotic pool cleaner. Make sure it has genuine wall climbing capability combined with intelligent route planning, so you never deal with half-cleaned pools and algae lines building up on your walls again for years. The immediate result is a cleaner pool after the first run. The weekly win is reclaimed weekend time that compounds across an entire season. The long-term freedom is a backyard that works for you, rather than demanding from you. Which of these benefits hits you hardest? Comment 1 for clean walls, 2 for save time, 3 for full coverage. Pool technology analysts consistently highlight brushless motor efficiency as the key differentiator between robotic cleaners that last and those that degrade within 2 seasons. One verified owner described the SP5 climbing to the waterline and scrubbing away the scum line that they had previously handled manually for years. Another reported that fine dirt their previous suction cleaner consistently missed was fully captured in the debris bin after a single cycle. I noticed this after 3 weeks. The pool required fewer chemicals because surface debris was being removed consistently rather than redistributing. The brushless motor runs quietly enough that you can have a conversation poolside while it works. Compared with plug-in alternatives, the cordless freedom alone changes the deployment experience entirely. The XUSHIDZ SP5 robotic pool vacuum gives you back the one thing no pool chemical or manual routine ever could: your time, consistently and without negotiation. Inventory on specialized robotic cleaners like this moves faster than most people expect, and once it is gone, restocking takes time. Link in the description, first one, pinned to the top. The pool was always supposed to be the easy part of owning a home. Now it finally can be.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.